Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Fit credit card on your iPhone. First step is to open App Store. Click on the search bar and type in App Store. Now, after opening your App Store, you can see a search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now, type in Fit credit card. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, or you can also find it as CFC Mobile Access. Now click on it. Here you can see Get option, click on it. Now it is going to ask you for your Face ID for confirmation. Now your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, click on Open and you have successfully downloaded the Fit credit card app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.